Chapter 6. More on MS Word. Inserting word art. Follow the steps given to insert word art in a document. Step 1. Select Insert, Picture, Word Art option. Step 2. The Word Art Gallery dialog box opens. Select the word art style. Click on the OK button. Step 3. The Edit Word Art Text dialog box appears. Type the required text you want in it. Choose the font and size for the text. Click on the OK button. Editing and formatting the word art. Step 1. Double-click on the word art text. Step 2. The Edit Word Art Text dialog box will open. Modify the text if required. Change font type from font drop-down list if required. Change font size from size drop-down list if required. We can also change font styles by clicking on bold or italic buttons. Step 3. When finished, click on the OK button. The word art text will be edited and formatted as specified. Using the Word Art toolbar. To add or change effects to the word art text, we can use the buttons on the Word Art toolbar. The Word Art toolbar appears when we click the word art text. We can also open the Word Art toolbar by following the sequence: View menu, Toolbars, Word Art. Changing word art style. To add or change the effects applied to the word art text, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the Word Art Gallery button on the Word Art toolbar. Step 2. The Word Art Gallery dialog box will open. Select the new style that you want to apply to the text. Click on the OK button. We can also resize the word art text by dragging it from the sizing handles. The applied word art effect will change to the new chosen effect. Changing shape of the word art text. Step 1. Click on the Word Art Shape button on the Word Art toolbar. You will see many sample shapes according to which word art text will mold itself. Step 2. Click on the desired shape. The word art text will take the selected shape. Applying bullets. A bullet is a small symbol in front of a line of text. Bulleted lists are used when the order of appearance of a list of items is not important. Follow the steps given to create a bulleted list. Step 1. Select the paragraphs to which you want to apply bullets. Step 2. Select Format, Bullets and Numbering option. The Bullets and Numbering dialog box will open. Step 3. Click on the Bulleted tab and select the type of bullets you want to apply. Click on the OK button. Or click on the Bullets button on the Formatting toolbar. The selected bullets type will be applied to the selected paragraphs. Applying borders and shading. Applying border to a paragraph. Select the paragraph that you want to apply the border to. Click on Format, Borders and Shading. The Borders and Shading dialog box will open. Click on the Borders tab. Select the type of border that you want to apply by clicking on one of the preset borders. Also choose the style of the line, the color of the line, and the thickness of the line that forms the border from the corresponding drop-down lists. Click on the OK button. The border will be applied to the paragraph. Applying a page border. Place the cursor in the page that you want to apply the border to. Select Format, Borders and Shading option. The Borders and Shading dialog box will open. Click on the Page Border tab on top of the box. From the Art drop-down list, select the picture that will form the border. From the Width drop-down list, select the width of the border. Click on the OK button. An attractive picture border will be applied to all the pages of your document. Applying shading. Step 1. Select the paragraph or place the cursor in the paragraph that you want to apply the shading to. Step 2. Select Format, Borders and Shading option. The Borders and Shading dialog box will open. Step 3. Click on the Shading tab on top of it. Select the color of shading by clicking on the desired color box. Click on OK button. The shading will be applied to the paragraph. Correcting spellings and grammar. Spelling mistakes are the most common types of mistakes that can occur while typing. MS Word provides us with the spelling and grammar option in order to correct the misspelled words. Follow the steps to do it. Step 1. Select Tools, Spelling and Grammar option. The Spelling and Grammar dialog box will open with suggestions for the incorrect word and the various buttons. Let us see what can be done using the various buttons. Change. From the suggested list of correct words, you can select the required word and click on the Change button to replace the misspelled word with the suggested correct word. Change All. If you want to change all the occurrences of this specific misspelled word in the document, click on Change All button. Ignore. If you think the word does not need any correction, click on Ignore button. Ignore All. If you want to ignore all the occurrences of the highlighted word, click on Ignore All button. Add. This option will add the word in the dictionary so that next time when you type the word, it is not treated as a misspelled word. Autocorrect. Autocorrect automatically corrects many common words as we type. It has its own short list of common misspellings and their corrections. We can add our own most frequently misspelled words to this list. Click on the appropriate button to get the required result. Printing a document. To use the print option in the File menu to print a document, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Select File, Print option, or press Ctrl+P from the keyboard. The Print dialog box appears. Step 2. Select the required options from the Print dialog box as listed below. Select the name of the printer which is connected to your computer and on which you want to take the printout. Select Range of pages to print by enabling the appropriate option in the Page Range box, where each of the options are useful in the following ways. All. It will print all pages in the document. Current page. It will print the page in which our cursor is. Selection. It will print the selected text only. Pages. It will print the specified pages like 2 to 7 or 2, 4, 6, etc. Copies. This allows for the number of copies to be specified without having to reprint the document numerous times. Enter the number of copies you want to print in the Number of Copies box. Collate. Check on the Collate option to print the selected pages in the document in sets. Click on the OK button. Previewing a document before printing. To see the preview of a document file, the required steps are: Step 1. Select File, Print Preview option, or click on the Print Preview icon on the standard toolbar. The document will open in Print Preview mode. Step 2. In the Preview mode, select the number of pages to preview from the Multiple Pages icon button on the Print Preview toolbar.